Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I hate going to the store to get cards because for one thing, they are so expensive and standing in the aisle and searching through all the cards and reading them, it just takes so long and it's so annoying. Thankfully, I have found this awesome greeting card collection by Baby Nest Designs. They are so pretty. I love them all and they are completely customizable. You can use them for any occasion. I really love that they come with the cards and the envelopes and also stickers. So if you want to put them on the inside or on the outside to seal the envelope and make it look extra cute, you can do whatever you like. And I love how thick they are because it does not matter what kind of writing utensil you are using, it's not going to bleed through and it's not going to smudge. I have really been enjoying using these as thank yous for friends. Because they are blank, I can write whatever I want in them. I also have a wedding shower coming up and anniversaries for many family members, so these are going to last me a really long time. Whether it's a wedding, an anniversary, a baby shower, these cards do it all, and they come with their own envelopes and stickers without having to go to the store. I highly recommend them. They're absolutely my favorite, and they are extremely high quality. And that's my point of view.